Well, it's been a while since I started working on this. Well, I knew I had that for a reason. Reproduce, reuse, restore, redo. So now I'm going to take this off, the old one. I can't find it. I'm not going to spend the time to try to find it. So since there's those little nails in there, I just go along and loosen up where the nail's at. Go in there with a pair of needle nose and just pull them out, and I'll use them again. I just lost one of my little nails. I'll find something to go in there instead. I got lots of little nails. Yeah, I've got two more here. Now, this might be a good job for this tool. There, that works good. Well, I knew I had that for a reason. I'm getting it here. There's that piece I had to pull off. It's almost like a heavy cardboard or plastic. And here's what the bottom looks like. So now I'm going to take this off, the old one, best I can. Kind of nice since I organized my tools here. And then that over there, it's a lot better than it was. I can see stuff now. So I'm getting there. I need to make sure I have a workable area. Now I just need to finish pulling this off. Kind of have a pattern here, but I don't know if I want to go by that. No, I want to do it in one piece. I'm not gonna. Well, it's been a while since I started working on this. Some of my projects take a while. It's a center console lid for a 1977 MGB Roadster, and got the old stuff off. Now I gotta put the new stuff on. Got that on my beard. Gotta put that on now. So hopefully here another 50 years we'll have her done. See you later. I've got stripped off. Now I've got to figure out how much of this I'm going to use. It'll be kind of like this here. I'll cut off the extra material and it'll look nicer, but it looks pretty nice. I want probably that much there, this much to here. So if I make a mark right there, and then I'm going to put a straight edge down. Okay, I've got it marked out how much I need. And this whole roll I got for like $9 shipped from Amazon. I got it now and I could use it for other stuff. Keep it here to keep it nice and clean. This is Fox leather marine vinyl, so it's made for outside just in case this ever gets wet. Okay, where do I want to put that? I'll put that right up here. I also have Bart P200 guitar effects pedal. I've got one. This one I bought at the Salvation Army, and there's a problem with the power connection, so I've got to fix that. Here. This will lay on here. I guess we'll fold this up and fold this up. It's got a curve to it, so it's not going to be the easiest thing in the world to work with. Okay, right here. Right here. Just got to cut some more excess off here. Excess off. Probably shouldn't skimp because this will just be a waste anyway. Now these will fold over. Okay, next thing is taking those staples out. Get them out here. All these staples, which are not in very tight. Just have a few more here. Well, I got all of them off, all those little staples, and I got a little cleaning here to do, maybe not. This probably scraped a little bit. Another staple. Well, I got most of the junk off the back of this. A couple tools I've got to get here, and I'll come back and I'll show what I'm going to use to attach the new cloth or whatever to this. Well, I've got my staple gun and my glue gun. I don't know how good either one of them are. I know a staple gun works. The glue gun, we'll find out. I decided to go with some staples in that electric staple gun, shorter, a lot shorter than the other ones, to see if they go down deeper. Try that. Take it off safety. Well, they sink in there, so I'm not going to use those. Probably lock up here for the day, close up, and come back tomorrow and do a little more. I need to go in the house. I don't need to, I just should go in the house. And this here, I think I better try my glue gun too. When you have a little burp, when you have a little workbench, you clutter it up a lot easier. So I'm going to test this glue real quick. Well, it'll just work. You just push the button. Not warming up. Maybe it is. Yeah, I guess it is getting hot. Try it on here. Nothing coming out yet. We'll see how that works out. There's a lot of it now. Yeah, it's gonna work. So that'll work too. Now I've got that all cleaned up. Smells okay. My next chore, this will work. Just like that. And I'm going to quit for the day.